This is the engine that's going to be going into my 95 Chevy C1500. It's a Gen 3 Vortec 5.3. So iron block. Pretty popular, a lot of people do these. I know these don't have the strong internals like the Gen 4s, but I'm using the stock NV 3500 5-speed manual, so I'm not trying to put crazy power through that thing, it'll just grenade. So I'm gonna get started here. I'm gonna be sending the heads off to the machine shop, so hopefully when we get them off we can check the health of this thing. Let's get started. Just drained the oil, looked pretty good. I don't know if it had been changed recently, but it wasn't actually too dark and I didn't see any metal in it, so fingers crossed, it's looking good so far. I don't know if this is a Vortec specific thing, but for those of you with 4.8s, 5.3s, 6.0s, anything that has a neck on your oil filler, cool little thing is mine broke off, so that's why it's already off. Normally you have to take it off from the inside of the valve cover. There's a little tab you gotta press down right here. Indexes with a little metal pin. But anyways, if you want to delete this, they're kind of ugly. Your oil cap will actually fit on perfectly and it indexes correctly, which always makes me happy. take some accessories off first, or do I go straight to the intake manifold? Let's go for it. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see how she looks. Came off easy, that's good. Oh, not too bad. So this engine had been power washed when I picked it up. So everything that you could see was like super clean, so I really didn't know the condition of the engine. But it's not too bad, honestly. There are these foam pads in underneath that kind of keep stuff out. But I mean, for an engine that's 20 years old, this is hardly bad. I'm interested to see what the valve train looks like, and nervous about the internals. I really don't want to do a full rebuild. I'd like to just send the heads out, make sure those are good, maybe get them decked if they need, make sure the valve train's good. Hoping to keep the bottom end stock, but it doesn't always go as you wish, so we'll have to see. We'll get to that when we take the heads off. Alright, just got the crank bolt loose. Shout out to Manny for the Matco breaker bar. I probably could not have done that without it. So shout out to him, you're a goat. I'm gonna leave the pulley on for now. I gotta go rent a puller from AutoZone. So I think next, let's pull off this Steamport crossover and get the heads off. I'm scared. This is kind of where I find out if this motor's even worth it or not. So fingers crossed. Let's do it. So here's the valve train. Not the cleanest engine I've ever seen, but definitely not the dirtiest. I don't know how many miles this engine has on it, but I can assume it's well over 100,000, maybe even 200,000, because it's an 03. So, all things considered, I'm not that worried seeing this, so let's get the head off and see what the cylinders are looking like. Crazy carbon buildup. You can tell this engine is a little old. There's some marking on the cylinder walls, but I can't feel it. So see a little bit of cross hatching there. Overall, I am pretty happy with this. Alright, here's the underside of that passenger head. Sort of the same story as the cylinders. A little bit of carbon buildup, but I don't see anything too concerning. I'm gonna send these off to the machine shop tomorrow. We'll just have them look at them. If they need to be decked, I'll do that. I'm gonna have them check the valves as well. I suspect they're probably in good shape, but that is for them to determine, not me. So I'm gonna get the other head off camera. It's getting late here, so I'm gonna do that one real quick, and then when I get the heads back, I will get back with you.